Hello guys, have you ever wondered how to write a mathematical formula or this fourth or third kind of thing like first, second, third, or this chemical formula like H2SO4 or a mathematical series like x1, x2 dot 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 to xn by using HTML? Well, HTML provides us two tags, subscript and superscript tag to write such kind of things. So without wasting time, let's understand them. The first tag is the superscript tag. The superscript tag specifies text which is to be displayed as super text. Like here you can see x cube or fourth. That cube or this th part can be written by using the superscript tag. So let's go ahead and see this in practice. So here I am in VS Code editor and this is the page that you already know what it is. If you don't know, you can watch my previous videos. Then you just need to write a paragraph tag, and in this paragraph tag I want to write something like using superscript tag in HTML. Okay, now let's go ahead and see how we can write this. So I have written this x and then I have written this 3. I want this to look like as x cube. If I save this and I go to the browser and refresh the window, we will see this thing that it is not on the top part. Okay, it is not on the top part, like it doesn't look like x cube, it looks like x into 3 kind. Okay, so how can we write this to look like a superscript? For that we have a tag known as superscript tag. You can write this like this, and then you need to put the content which you want to be displayed as a super text. Okay, superscript text. So like here I have put it the 3, and then you save this and you reload on the browser, you will see this thing. Wow, it is beautiful. So you can write any equation, any formula by using this superscript tag. So this is a tag in HTML you can use for this purpose. Well, superscript tag has well defined meaning. Like superscript tag is used for displaying exponential, like here x cube, which we have already seen. You can use a cube, b cube, whatever you want, like e cube, whatever you want. Okay, the second thing is it is used for ordinal numbers like th, that fourth, third, sixth. If you want that top part to be displayed as a superscript, then you can use the superscript tag. So these are the two basic examples of superscript tag, but superscript tag is not limited to these. Okay, you can use it for any typographical conventions, like here I have told you that x cube and fourth. Okay, let's go to the second tag, and that is called the subscript tag. The subscript tag specifies text which is to be displayed as a subscript. Like here you can see H2SO4, that 2 and 4 in H2SO4 can be written by using sub tag. Let's go and practice this thing. So here I am back to my project, and here I can use the another paragraph tag, and here I want to write the formula for sulfuric acid is. Now here we are going to write the formula H2SO4. Now the question is, this 4 and this 2 should be displayed as a subscript. How will we do this? We will write a sub tag over here. Okay, and we will put this 2 into it. So this is what we will do for displaying this 2 in the subscript. If we save this and we reload it on the browser, we will see this 2 in the subscript. Now this, I want this 4 to be displayed in the subscript also, so that we can use the subscript tag over here too. Okay, so I have written the subscript tag and the content is the 4. Whatever is the content, that content will be displayed as a subscript. Okay, if you save this and you reload over here, you will see this 4 in the subscript. Okay, so this is where the subscript help us.